Today we got a video from Unpopular, and the title of the video is Teens Rack Up Felony Charges After Fighting in Swimsuits.
You have to stop. Okay. No, you don't have a
I want to press charges on all the 18-year-olds.
Then they both start punching. I bring out my taser.
Yeah, just arresting people for no reason though. No. The lady that's talking to y'all, that's making up a whole story, she wasn't even here.
Her mom was like, oh, I gotta talk. Who wanna fight? Who wanna get my daughter?
On September 7th, 2024, officers responded to a park following a report of a woman getting into a fight with a juvenile over minor comments during which a taser was reportedly drawn.
Oh, a taser?
No, I'm over here. We got it. We got it. We're out.
Okay. You're gonna hang out over there.
Let's go this way.
Ma'am, come back over here.
You have to stop.
Okay.
No, you don't have a
Alright, ma'am.
You are talking to an officer. You will respect it. I'm not talking to you. Tell her to be quiet. I want her to be quiet. She's not a part of this.
You can help us, but just stay over there, be quiet for us.
She's not in it. She has no idea what happened.
Okay.
Talk to this one right here. She's the one assaulted.
I got you.
Sorry, go ahead.
I'm just trying to keep, but y'all obviously don't got control what y'all got going at the park. You got it.
No.
Everybody take some deep breaths. That's all I want you guys to do right now.
They think it's funny too.
I want to press charges on all the 18-year-olds. Everything's code 4, clear the channel.
You can really, if you do not keep your mouth shut. You know what, matter of fact, go to the car. Can you tell her she has to go to the car? She has nothing to do with this incident.
Ma'am.
I'm sorry, just calm down.
Okay, all right. I've dealt with you before. You still in trouble?
Came here.
I got you. Okay, stop. I'm just saying, I know who you are, okay?
Okay.
Are you still in trouble?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to talk to everybody separate.
I just think that we should just take care of the people who are actually here to the situation.
You're going to have to let us do our job.
And my little
Okay.
sister's up there.
I know, go.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. No.
She's literally
I'm with my little sister.
Okay.
I asked the officer.
God,
I
okay.
just got here.
Okay, stop.
My
We're going to handle our investigation. If y'all keep interrupting us, you're all going to go to jail for resisting. That's what's going to happen. Stop talking. Stop.
There's a minor over there, a small one.
Okay. An adult if you're trying to act like a fucking adult, okay? So we're gonna get all your guys' information, or you can go for resisting, okay? Do you want to play that game?
It's okay.
Okay, you can go.
Yes.
Sergeant, can she walk with you to go get her little sister at the pavilion? I guess. So supposedly, from what I gathered so far, the other two are not their daughters, but related. So supposedly, these table over here, I don't know what beef exactly happened, but somehow they're alleging that the girl in the blue bathing suit and the girl in the American flag bathing suit attacked the minor over there.
Okay.
So why are you here at the park today?
So I came here to go swimming. I didn't come here for none of this.
Okay.
I came here to go swimming with my homegirl. We got dropped off not even a whole hour ago.
Okay.
We're coming over here, whatever. I know one of the kids that was sitting at the table, which is
Do
Ray.
you know them?
I know one.
Okay. Which one?
One in the white tank. I know him
him
because
from
he's
what?
friends with my homeboys.
Okay.
And he's always here with my homeboys. So he was on the tree and I asked him something. Then his girl that's talking to the other officer, she just kept saying, making small
What would you
comments.
ask him? Just so we understand. I don't care what it is.
Okay, well, I asked to tap something or whatever.
Okay.
And then the girl was like, no. And I'm like, okay, well, I left it at that. Then Ray told me it's on the table. Go to the table, whatever. Sitting there. Now we're just sitting there waiting until he gets out. Whatever. Standing there. We're about to walk back up to the front to go to the bathroom. Then the girl in the 4th of July bathing suit, she said, if you got something to say it right now. So I'm like,
Okay.
are you talking to me? She said, yeah, I'm talking to you. So then I'm like, girl, I'm not about to argue with an 18-year-old. And then she said, well, it seems like you got a lot to say. And like, she just kept going back and forth. And she said, you want me to do something about it? I'm like, do it then. Like, I'm just standing here. I'm like, you're just going to keep arguing and do something. And she runs up on me first. Then the girl in the blue bathing suit,
Where are you
right
guys
there.
at? Okay. So she runs up on you
She
first.
runs up on me first, and then the girl in the blue bathing suit at the table, she runs up from the side, starts punching me. Then they both start punching. I bring out my taser. Then the boys are trying to hold them back. Well, no, Ray was just standing there. He just watched me get jumped. The other boys, I'm pretty sure they were recording. Michaela was trying to break it up. Then I brought out my taser, and then all the girls started running. And then they started laughing like, yeah, bring out your taser. And I did.
Okay. All right, boys. Who's got the video?
No video.
No video? There's no social media videos, nothing like that? Okay, nobody's being cute. Alright. What's the kid that you know? What's his name?
Ray. I don't know his real name. I
Okay,
just
do you
know.
guys, are you friends with him on social media or anything?
No.
No?
I just know him because he's homeboys with my homeboys.
Okay. So did you guys see anything or what?
Yeah, I saw the ball. Not the disrespect, but the ball on.
But were you guys here doing the whole thing or what?
Nah, I pulled up like right as it happened.
Okay, you don't know anybody here? Or you know people here or what? No?
Person I know
Oh, okay.
is the white tank top.
Alright.
This kid's account over in black shirt. The girl that got beat up is his girlfriend. They showed up here. We're just hanging out, doing whatever. They said they were getting weird looks from the girl in the American flag bikini. I was looking over anyway. So I was just telling him what the kid in the black shirt said. He's victim's boyfriend. Said they were just down here in the show hanging out. Started getting weird looks from the girl in the American flag bikini. They said back and forth. Like, I really don't know what she said. That other girl, the one that's detained, was just like, you got something to say? And he's like, let's just walk away and just be done with it. So the girl in the American flag bikini comes up and just starts wailing on her. Says, girl over here in the other bikini comes over, joins in. He didn't say anything about it. He tried to break it up, anything along those lines. And they just start whooping on her. And the guy in the white shirt, he just got her. He knows nothing about her.
Yeah.
Sorry about the time.
Here,
So what's going on?
You don't want to talk to us, so we don't got to talk to you,
Y'all
okay?
just arresting people for no reason, though.
No, okay.
So I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
Well, you can call and try for a public records request and see if you want to talk to us, okay?
Type shit.
Do you have stuff here?
no, it's just my phone. She
Okay.
has it on this.
Do you guys want to identify yourselves and possibly write a statement or talk to us?
That's not against the law.
Do you guys want to talk to us?
Against the law.
I'm asking yes or no.
That's not against the law, though.
Do you want to identify? Do you want to identify yourself and talk? All right then. What are you saying happened?
We were on the tree. They were asking for my THC.
Asking for a hit. Okay.
We kept saying no because it's sympathetic to underage. And as I was telling them no, I ended up falling off the tree, as you can see.
Okay.
I got marks all over my body.
Okay.
After I fell, I saw that my girlfriend.
What marks is he talking about? We don't see no marks. What marks is he talking about?
Basically came down and I came down also. I got off the tree and I was following. They were trying to look through our stuff and she said, don't look through my stuff, whatever. My girlfriend was saying. Basically, he wasn't trying to. So it was like, all right, bet. One of the girls had, you feel me, disrespectful. And she said, stop talking crazy like that. She had passed the other girl her purse. They basically started fighting. The other girl swung on my girlfriend, so her cousin basically jumped in too. And she pulled out the taser. They both pulled out the taser and pepper spray and stuff.
Okay. Do you have your ID? Might make things a little easier.
Yeah, I got my ID.
Yeah, I talked to her mom.
To who?
Ariana's mom.
The 18-year-old's mom?
The 20-year-old.
The one that got arrested? Hello, it's Deputy Acosta with the Sheriff's Office.
Hi, how are you?
Not bad. How can I help you?
What's going on?
So your daughter was arrested for battery, okay? That she got into it with somebody over here at Green Springs Park that happens to be a juvenile. So it actually might be, I'm not going to try to misspeak, but it actually might be labeled as child abuse, which would be a felony, okay?
Oh my lord.
That's
Do you
it.
know how the altercation started? Because the girls are telling me that the girl swung at my daughter and she didn't know how old she was.
I gotcha. Yeah, so we're taking everything into account. We're going to document everything. So ultimately, everything is going to be documented. Your daughter is going to be charged. And then everything is going to be decided by a judge that reviews everything, okay?
Okay.
All right.
So the other woman shouldn't be arrested for threatening us? Like, that's not right. Y'all only arresting one side.
They wasn't here.
The lady that's talking to y'all, that's making up a whole story, she wasn't even here. She came afterwards.
I understand, but she's responsible for those juveniles. So anything involving a juvenile has to go through somebody who's legally responsible for those juveniles.
So she could threaten us. With no problem.
So what are these threats? Because
She literally said, I got
okay. Listen. Okay, stop.
She came back with a taser.
Okay,
That's
listen.
self-defense.
Are you guys
and then
ready
she
to
said
listen?
She had a gun too.
Okay.
Came like this. Oh, I
Okay.
gotta talk.
Did she?
Her mom was
Okay.
like, oh, I gotta talk. Who wanna fight? Who wanna get my daughter?
Okay. All right.
They should
So
just
listen,
shoot us.
did she brandish a firearm?
We don't know.
We don't know.
She did.
was
Okay.
just like
came up and
this.
she
So
started threatening
she's
us.
wearing yoga pants and everything else, right? Do you think it's reasonable that if somebody is gonna brandish a firearm wearing
Listen, I
wearing
know.
tight
She can't walk
spandex or
in
anything
this
like
way.
that?
She can't walk in this
Okay.
way like this. And then she
All right. So listen, this isn't our first day, right?
But that's not
So-
right though. Y'all basically arresting one side. When she came back and literally threatened everybody that was here. She don't even know what happened.
Only 2 people was here.
You can feel that way. Everything is going to be on your statement, okay?
Okay, do you guys have proof,
Are
though?
you willing
Do you
to
guys
raise
have
your
proof?
right hand and swear to everything you're telling me today is the truth and nothing but the truth? All right. Do you swear everything you told me today is the truth and nothing but the truth? No
It's
omissions.
nothing but the truth.
All right. Very well. What's that?
name's
Your cousins
Ariana.
that are going to jail?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're in the back of a car. So
What?
Over up there accusing them of fighting, and that wasn't here at that.
all right.
You
So
taking the
listen.
story to somebody who
Unless you
wasn't
guys
here.
were here during the thing, then no. So
all
okay.
here.
Okay.
We wasn't here.
So They were not here. So listen,
No, stop talking.
you guys are gonna step away from the car, okay? Or you guys can go to jail for resisting without, okay? Resisting without violence. I'm telling you to step away from my car because we're not done with this investigation, okay? So your cousin, I will let you know. Okay, so your cousin is going to jail. It's going to be child abuse at the Volusia County Branch Jail, okay?
You're talking about.
All right, so it's, okay. All right, I answered the question. So basically, what we determined was an altercation took place between juvenile and two adults, and juveniles have plenty of physical injuries. Adults have pretty much zero.
What about the other friend in the blue?
What are you talking about?
She ain't got no marks on her, no nothing, bro. It's just
Okay.
the taser.
Okay, we're done. Okay, so unless you guys have any, do you guys want to fill out a paper statement? You can put it on a paper statement. I'm giving you that opportunity right now.
But I just told you what's up. Like, what
Do you want to write it on a paper
That's what
statement?
I'm saying. Like, are you
Yes or
hearing
no?
anything we saying?
Do you want to write it on a paper
Anything
statement?
we saying though?
Yes or no? It's a simple.
Oh, nah, nobody don't want to. Everybody want to chit chat. Everybody want to hoot and holler, but who want to fill out that paperwork? Who want to fill out that paperwork? Do you want to be ratting? Do you want to be labeled as a rat? Cause that we gonna see how bad you want your friend or cousin or whoever out of this jam. Do you want to fill out a paper statement? Okay, put your name, this, that. This is what happened. This, that, and the third. Oh, nobody don't want to do that? Oh, that's what I thought. Then back up. Y'all want to hoot and holler? Who want to fill out a statement? That's the fastest way to get motherfuckers away from your vehicle. Who want to fill out a statement? Oh, nah, I don't want to do that. Oh, no. Why? Because you got street code and no one wants to be labeled a rat. So zip it.
Okay, I'm going to give you one last chance. Do you want to write on paper? If not, step away from the car.
I'm scared of is you.
Okay, I don't care if you're scared of me or not. Do you want to put on paper? Yes or no? Do you want to put on paper? All right, step away from the car.
That's what I thought. Y'all good.
Listen, I just want to talk with you guys. Okay, so when we come out for something we're called to, we gotta identify everybody, and the best thing you guys can do is just talk to us. Okay? We're not trying to get anybody in trouble over probation. We're not looking to do any of that stuff. But when we first get here, we need to understand what's going on. Yes, I made the comment that I've interacted with you before, but that's just because I know that I've interacted with you before. Okay, that's all. Okay? We're not trying to hem people up over nothing. So the best thing you guys can do is just talk to us. So you guys understand? I know tensions are high when we first get here.
I know attention's real.
Okay? But you guys understand when we get here, we gotta identify everybody and figure it out. We're not trying to hem anybody up. Hey, what's done is done. That's it.
I know, I'm just so mad.
That's understandable, but look, hey, it's not gonna help. Okay? Trust me, I was in plenty of scraps, everything else, okay? They're going to jail on a felony charge, both of them. That's not something light. That's more than just pride being hurt. They're going for a felony charge, okay?
I don't even think
So-
that girl lives there. I don't think she lives here because Ray told me before she don't even live here.
It doesn't matter. They're going for a child abuse charge.
All right. Walk to my car, please.
You trying to trip me now? With the handcuffs on?
I got big feet.
All the way over?
Oh, no, she's going to go on the other side. All right. Walk to the door right there.
The woman was charged with CN.
Hey, all right. Y'all know what time it is. See, when did this video come out? Oh, 17 hours ago. See, Unpopular smartening up. Because this is what I'm saying. I'm like, yo, Unpopular, it's no way. I said this in one of the last videos. I'm like, yo, there's no way they keep doing these child type content and not getting, there's no way them videos are monetized. Because child, type content that's getting demonetized. That off the rip. It's not happening. So now I see Unpopular. They smartened up. They started beeping it out. Child beep. Okay. And then they changed it to CN. If you don't know what C-end is, it's child and something else at the end of that. You figure it out. Okay? Okay. Unpopular decided, oh, nah, we tired of taking these L's. Because I know, I'm looking at these videos. That's why I stopped doing unpopular videos. Unpopular and I forget the other one, the other channel that they own. But that's why I stopped doing their videos. I'm like, yo, everything I do is child related. Like, there's no way. No way. And y'all saying the words. Y'all not even bleeping it out. Nothing. I used to do them videos. Beep, beep. Getting dinged. Like YouTube on my heels. Like, oh, nah. Demonetize. I'm like, yo, what the hell? Damn. Yellow mark. I'm like, yo, this is crazy. I got to stop doing unpopular videos. I got to. Y'all, come on, man. DCF, all that type of stuff. Come on, man. Can't keep doing that. But all right, so unpopular, they tightened up. They got it together. So I can start fucking with them again. All right, I like it. Anyways, cops did a good job, man. You know, cops did a good job. That's it. 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think they did. And I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Listen, nobody don't want to fill out no statement. You don't want to be labeled a rat. That's how they view it. They scattered like roaches, boy.